In your arms, time doesn't pass, it just stops. In your eyes, time gets completely lost. Even autumn feels shy about the color of its leaves. When your smile blooms, every line on my forehead fades away. The moment you smile, I, who've lived 47 springs carrying wounds and exhaustion, in one single look from you become a newborn again, taking my very first breath from a heart that beats only for you. The winds of time try to carve whatever they wanted on my face, but as long as your name was on my lips, not a single line dared to stay. You're not medicine, you're a miracle that makes even death feel ashamed. When it sees that after all these winters I'm still living my endless spring. In your arms, if the world ends tomorrow, I'll still say thank you, because once in a life full of